So today I'm going to film a very special video since this video has actually been requested. So I'm going to write from who this was, like this idea somewhere here. And if you guys also kind of want like a shout out, then you guys can also write in the comments what for a video you guys want next week or in 2 weeks, since I already have a video planned for next week and we're probably going to film this, my friend and me, tomorrow, since I'm doing a collab with someone. And I'm kind of already going to tell you the video since it's coming out next week. It's going to be a night routine, and on my friend's channel it's going to be a morning routine. So today I'm going to show you how to make butter slime, and I actually made myself, I teach me myself how to make it. This is actually my own recipe. It's probably also on YouTube or something like that, but it's really easy. And hope you guys enjoy pretty much how I make my butter slime. And if you want to know how I make it, then you guys can just continue watching. Let's go. So first you're going to need some cornstarch, and you're also going to need some borax, but I've heard that you can also use laundry detergent and also contact lens solution. Then you're also going to need some foaming soap. And then you're also going to need some containers to store your slime in. Now you will also need a cup of water for your borax mixture. And you will also need some measuring cups or spoons. So of course you're going to need some glue, and make sure that it is actually PVA glue, otherwise this won't work. Next you're also going to need some regular soap. This is optional, but if you want you can add some paint to your slime. This is optional, but if you want you can add some pudding powder. This just makes the slime really buttery and it smells really good. And last but not least, you're going to need a bowl. First, start by adding your glue to the bowl.
God, I wish I never spoke. Now I gotta wash my mouth out with soap. But I wish to stop.
So like you can see, I added half a teaspoon of borax into half a cup of water, but that was a really big mistake. You have to add 1 teaspoon of borax into 1 cup of water, otherwise this won't work. Now just mix this a bit. It doesn't have to be completely dissolved, but it has to be a bit dissolved. Next, add 1 cup of foaming soap. Now just add 1 pump of soap. And mix this really well together. Now just add 1 cup of pudding powder. And mix this really well together. So now I just added tablespoon by tablespoon a bit more of borax until I think it was ready. And don't add too much borax, otherwise your slime is just not going to form.
Not this There's nothing I want but money and time.
So now you're just going to add a decent amount of cornstarch onto the table, and then you're just going to like knead your slime into the cornstarch.
Voice of the empire, the set fire.
So like you can see, I have now my perfect butter slime. I really like how it feels, and yes.
The set fire.
So this is the final butter slime. I really like it. I think it like makes a really smooth texture, and this is probably my favorite slime. So hopefully you enjoyed this video, and if you did, then give us a big thumbs up, and we would be so happy if we would get this video to 10 likes. So please be sure to give us a big like, and if you want to see further of these kinds of DIYs, or maybe also slimes, because we also have 2 previous slime videos, you guys can just go check them out somewhere here or down below in the description bar. And if you just want to subscribe for further DIYs and also slimes, then you can just subscribe somewhere here or also the red button down below. So I had really much fun making this slime for you guys, and it is really fun, and I think it's really easy to make, and I would really like request this, that you guys make it for you. And it also makes like some bubbles. I don't know if you can hear. Wait, I'm just gonna make it for you guys. You can kind of hear the bubbles, and they're really fun like to hear and to play with, and so I don't know, this is probably my favorite slime recipe. And if you guys want to go check out my social medias, you guys can just wait until the end. And yes, so bye!